New tonight, live at 5, a Western New York waste management firm is seeking to get a lawsuit against it dismissed. It involves a rather bizarre accident that ended in death at the Chautauqua County landfill almost 6 years ago. Channel 2's Dave McKinley reports the case brings up some pretty interesting legal questions. David?
Indeed it does, Scott. Can the sins of the father be cast upon the son, or in this case, is a company liable for damages caused by another it purchased prior to it buying it? In August of 2020, Scott Deming was struck and killed by a bulldozer at the Chautauqua County landfill. Deming worked for Best Way Disposal, which the county contracted with to provide garbage and container services. Deming's estate sued the county, which in turn sued Best Way. But almost a year later, Best Way was bought out by Casella Waste Management, which contends it can't be held liable.
There's no allegations in this complaint, the third-party complaint, that would lead to liability on Casella's part, because the purchase agreement between Best Way and Casella expressly took out from any retained liabilities, any acquired liabilities, indemnification obligations that happened from incidents arising prior to the closing date.
But Chautauqua County contends, along with the business, Casella bought itself a lawsuit.
We make the argument that at the time of Mr. Deming's unfortunate passing, the contract involving the county was with Best Way. That agreement was binding on all heirs, successors, and assigns of Best Way, such as Casella.
A lower court judge agreed with Chautauqua County insofar that they refused to dismiss the suit against Casella, which brought them to Rochester today, seeking relief before the appellate division, and where a lawyer for the county said there's a lot at stake here.
We believe that Best Way has insurance that might be capable of satisfying some of if there is a finding of liability at the end of this case to satisfy some of that judgment. We believe that one of those entities at least is liable on the third-party complaint.
Whatever the answer is, they're going to have to wait until at least May, maybe June, to find it from the appellate division. Live on your side of the studio, Dave McKinley, Channel 2 News.